Hi, so we're going to be converting from other bases to base 10. So we're doing firstly we want to do from 136, 413 base 6. We're going to convert that to base 10. And so how do we do this? So basically, you can see the base is in 6, so we convert it to base 10. So we're going to expand by saying, 4 multiplied by 6, the base, plus 1, this, multiplied by the 6, the base, plus 3, multiplied by 6, the base. So we're going to start counting from, we're going to give exponents to the bases, they're going to plus power to the bases, and we're going to start from the right hand side. And that's going to be start from 0, then 1, then 2. Then the next step is to evaluate that. And so you have 4 times 6 to the power of 2 is 36, plus 6 to the power of 1 is 6, plus 3. 6 to the power of 0 is 1. And so I have 4 times 36. I have 144. Then plus 6. Then plus 3. Okay, so that's 153 base 10. So 413 base 6 is actually 153 in base 10. Then 1001101 base 2, we're going to convert that to base 10. So I'll convert it to base 10. So from another base to base 10, you have to just expand. And so we have 1, this one here, multiplied by the base, multiplied by 2, plus 0, multiplied by the base 2, plus 0, multiplied by 2, the base, then 1, plus 1 multiplied by 2, then plus 1 multiplied by 2, then plus 0 multiplied by 2, then plus 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, so we're going to start giving exponents power to the bases from the right hand side. So we have 0, 1, let me write that properly, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. So you have 1, 2 to the power of 6 is 64, then plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 is actually 32, plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 is actually 16, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 is actually 8, plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 is actually 4, plus 0 to the power of 2 to the power of 1 is actually 2, then plus 1 times 0 to the power of 0 is actually 1. Okay, so 1 times 64, you have 64, plus 0 by 32, you have 0, plus 0 by 16, you have 0, plus 1 times 8, you have 8, plus 1 times 4, you have 4, 0 times 2, you have 0, and 1 times 1, you have 1. So adding all of this together, you have 77 base 10. Yeah, so you have base 77 base 10. Alright, so let's have 3, 2, 3, 3 base 5. So to convert that to base 10. So you can pause the video and actually try this out yourself. So let's do that. So you have 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 plus 3 times 5. So the power is going to be from the right 0, 1, 2, then 3. So then you have 3, 5 to the power of 3 is 125 plus 5 to the power of 2 is actually 25 plus 5 to the power of 1 is 5 plus 5 to the power of 0 is 1. So I have 1 to 5 by 3, I have 375 plus 50, 2 times 25 is 50, plus 3 times 5 is 15, plus 3 times 1 is 3, and the sum of that is 443 base 10. So if I convert this to this, and so we have this example C513 base 16. I'm converting that to base 10. So how do we do this? Can you try this yourself? Okay, try it. Pause the video and try it. Okay, so you have 6C multiplied by 16 plus 5 multiplied by 16 plus 1 multiplied by 16 plus 3 multiplied by 16. So we give those bases the power. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3. So mind you, the base is this base that you are giving the power, not the digits. So you have C. Remember, A is equal to 10, B equals to 11, C equals to 12. So in base 16, C is 12. So I'm going to write 12 by 16. What's 16 to the power of 3? That's 4,096 plus 5 times 256 plus 1 times 16 plus 3. 16 to the power of 0 is 1. And so I have 4,096 times 12. So you have 49,152 plus 5 times 256. I have 1,280 plus 16, then plus 3. So add those things up together. Final answer is 50,451 base 10. So all of this is converted to base 10 by this method. 4, 3a5 base 15. We're converting that to base 10. So can you try this yourself? So pause the video and also try this yourself. So to do that, we're going to have 4 multiplied by 15 plus 3 multiplied by 15 plus a multiplied by 15 plus 5 multiplied by 15. So I'm going to give power to all of the bases, and we're going to start from the left hand side. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then you have 4. 15 to the power of 3 is 3,375 plus 15 to the power of 2 is actually 225 plus a. We know that a is equals to 10. So 10 times 5 plus 5, 15 to the power of, sorry, not 5 here. That's a is 10. Then 15 to the power of 1 is 15 times 15 plus 5 times 15 to the power of 0 is 1. And so I have 4 multiplied by 3,375, and that gives me 13,500 plus 3 multiplied by 225, I have 675 plus 10 by 15, I have 150 plus 5. So sum that up together, 13,500 plus 675 plus 150, then plus 5. I got 14,330 base 10. Okay, so this converted to base 10, this is what you get.